Hi guys, welcome to Coding with Sonali. So today in this session we will be starting with the important topic in the data structure, and that is array. So here I will be mentioning you what all topics we'll be covering in this entire session, as well as which is very much important interview perspective too. So now let us see first what all topics we'll be covering in this session. So first of all we will be seeing what is array. The next thing, how the array is represented in the memory. Next, the types of the array. There are 1D array, 2D array, 1D that is one dimensional, 2D that is two dimensional, and multi-dimensional array. Then we will be seeing how to initialize compile time as well as run time one dimensional array in this session itself. And then we will see how to compute the address of the element of the 1D array. So the elements, how to calculate the address of each element, how you can create a formula, you can draw the formula in order to calculate the address of each element in case of the 1D array. So we will cover this in this current session itself. Then we will be seeing what are advantages of the array, what are disadvantages of the array, as well as we will be seeing the application of the array. So ahead we will be covering couple of sessions to cover all these important topics on the array, and that are, first of all, we will be also covering the operations of the 1D array, that are insertion, deletion, search, update. So we will be writing the program in C language for the same for the 1D array. So all this thing we will be covering in different sessions. Then the next session we will be covering for the 1D array and function, how they work together. Then we will see 1D array as well as pointers, how they work together, how to access the 1D array using the pointers. All the things we will be covering. We will be writing the program in C language for the same. Then we will be covering in the next session, different session we will be covering for the 2D array. So that is two-dimensional array. So in which we will be seeing how to initialize the two-dimensional array, compile time as well as run time. Then how to access the elements of the 2D array, how to calculate the address of the elements in the 2D array, and there are two ways to calculate the address of each elements of the 2D array, and that is the row major order as well as the column major order. So we will see how to draw the formula by using in row major order and column major order. So this is very important topic, because in your GATE exam many times they give the dimensional of the 2D array, and then they say if you start the index from 0 or from 1 or from XYZ, then what will be the formula in order to calculate the address of the element. So either you have to calculate by using row major order or by the column major order, depending upon what the question is asked. So this is very important topic. We will cover this. We will draw the formula for the same. We will see in detail so that you will understand. It's very easy and interesting as well as. Then we will be dedicating different session for 2D array operations, and that is we will be seeing multiplication of the 2D array, as well as we will be writing the program for the same, as well as I will be also covering the addition of the 2D array. We will be writing the program in the C language. Then the different session we will be seeing about the 2D array and pointers, how they work together. So these are the total topic, overall the topic of the array which we will be covering. So let's start one by one.